Okay, I went out there and I cut a little piece of wood. It's actually 1 1/4 by 3/4. Okay? Just a little block of wood, 1 1/4 by 3/4. And what I'm going to do is on the flat side here, I'm going to take, put some stuff on there. And from the corner, I'm going to come up like a little arch and come down just like this. And from there, I'm going to come up and come down to this end. Okay? Find about a midpoint. I went a little bit, the midpoint somewhere around in here. Okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start carving, kind of removing the wood like this in there. Just sort of follow this little. See what I'm doing? See how I'm removing that wood? The same thing here. Okay. Okay, come up like that. Move that wood to the center there. Now be careful. This is a okay. Now I'm going to come here in the center, draw a little line in the center of this thing, and I'm going to cut a little V cut in there. Be real careful. Just like that. Cut a little V cut. Work a little bit deeper. Alright. Now, see, you're going to have something similar to this, in other words. Now you're going to come on the sides over here and you're going to cut this corner off here. Kind of round that side. See how it's starting to look like a book? The pages are sort of very simple, very easily. Take that wood off in there on that corner. Can you see that? Now I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to come down a little bit more in this area. See how it's looking like a book now? See when he's holding it? Just slowly, just kind of take a little bit of it off. Oh, sorry. When they're that small sometimes, you gotta kinda. But you see, cutting that V in there. Where that book is going to be glued into the, just like that. Now that's why we need to take these hands and cut into them. And then the book just sort of fits. It's right in there like that. See that? We're going to come and we're going to do it a little bit more. Put your hands down here and kind of protect it from breaking. It's like a little V, what it is. And that book, put that in there. Or the little Bible. Like that. Will fit into that little crevice in there in his little hand, see? Just like that. And we're going to glue that in there. Now I'm going to make it a little bit, folks, I'm all thumbs today. I'm going to make this a little bit more smaller so that it will fit into the hand smaller. See? And it's going to fit right into them hands. Actually, the whole thing. Okay. And the book will fit right into the hands, and I'll glue that just like that. Move it out just a little bit. And look at that. See? Ain't that something? Okay, I'm gonna glue that, and then we'll finish this thing up.